API 577 Welding Inspection and Metallurgy Training course has 6 hours of video clips, 101 lectures, 700 timed mock exam questions, 1700 flashcards and online support. This course has 14 modules fully covering the Publication Effectivity Sheet, API 577, ASME 5, and ASME 9. Our mock exam questions are in line with real API questions aimed at verifying your knowledge and how to apply them, while the flashcards help reminding you the key points, and may be used for quick referral. The depth of each topic is based on the expected number of questions. As such, this course helps you spending your study time effectively in order to pass your API 577 examination. Don't forget, our WhatsApp helpline is open all hours of the day, and one of our team specialists will be able to assist you with any trouble you may have.